how to increase your sales and bookings for the wedding using only one tool correctly, that is site inspection. My name is Lana and I'm a destination wedding planner. We organize weddings in more than 15 destinations. This video is for hoteliers, event managers, owners who are involved in selling your property, your villa, your palace to the client, bride and groom, for hosting their wonderful wedding. With our experience, we did a lot of site inspections with our clients and without. Now we are speaking about site inspection with our clients. It is so important to have a correct site inspection from your side to close the deal with our clients. If we bring you the clients, bride and groom, it means we already pre-sold your property to them. They already saw the pictures, videos, they heard a lot of information about your property, and that's why they came to see it by their own eyes. Remember, the sale is already half done. Now, as you are the master of the property, you need to close this sale for you and for us. We give you 3 tips how to do the successful site inspection and make more bookings and close sales. The first one, if you have already scheduled a date and time with the wedding planner for the final clients, that is bride and groom, to show the site inspection, then be ready. You need to have a preparation and readiness for the site inspection. Wait for the wedding planner and their clients in the lobby. Once they enter your hotel, your property, they need to see you. They need to see the person with whom they will be dealing from day one until the last moment, that is their wedding day. Do not rely on lobby boy or hostesses in your hotel. You need to be there. Your face should be there. You are the face for them for this property. Tip number 2, give history about your property. It is all on emotions. Remember, wedding is such an emotional event, and it is the most important event in the life of bride and groom, and they're waiting for it. So emotions play a huge and tremendous role. Give interesting facts about your property. Which famous people were in your property? Which famous extraordinary weddings were happening there? Do not overload them with more information than it needed, but at the same time provide them those striking facts that will be impacted on their selection. When you are showing outside and inside venues to host their wedding, these venues should be ready. What it means, they should be cleaned and they should be set up. Even if you have a setup for another event on the same day when you have site inspection, still you can manage. You can manage everything in a proper way. Put a table, put tables, chairs, even basic items that you give for the wedding, put it, show to the client how it will look like on their wedding. Bride and groom do not like to imagine. They like to see by their own eyes. It is only wedding planners and wedding stylists who can close their eyes and imagine and create how great their wedding will be, but not final clients. So you need to show them as much as you can, whatever you give, to have their wedding in your ballroom or in your garden. Tip number 3, be flexible and open. Flexibility means a lot. It is an extra advantage that will contribute to the selection of your property. You can be flexible not only in changing prices, but in giving something additional that you already have in-house. It can be spa voucher, it can be transportation, it can be suite, not only for 1 but for 2 nights for the bride and groom. It can be makeup and hairstylist if you have your own salon, etc. and etc. These additional things make huge change in the decision of the client. It's always pleasant to have something extra and something additional, complimentary, when you make a choice. I hope you like this video. If it's so, thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and get new videos every week. If you would like to have any topic covered by us, please, you're always welcome to leave a comment below or to send us a direct message. Thank you so much and see you soon.